shucks and tarnation. The only place I've seen water shoot out like that is from Bellagio. How does one go about drinking such a intricate water shooting device?
Well, have no fear, because Mario is here. Hi there. My name is Mario Esposito, professional water drinker. And we assume when you clicked on this video that your IQ is lower than your age. Well, that's okay, because I'm here to teach all you brain-dead juveniles how to drink from a water fountain. First step, slowly walk towards the drinking fountain. Be sure to stop once the drinking fountain is conveniently placed a few inches in front of yourself. Stop walking! Stop walking! Second step, lean forward until mouth is placed 2 or 3 inches away from the nozzle. If you have trouble with your step, use a ruler for assistance. Third step, place hand on the buttons conveniently placed on the side or in front of the fountain.
It's right there. Right there. Right there. Right there.
Excuse me, I must itch my nose. Fourth step, be sure to turn your head so the water enters your mouth and not squirts on the side of your head. Turn your head. Be sure to actually swallow the water and not attempt to drown or swim with the water that you are consuming. Congratulations, you have now successfully taken a drink from a water fountain. If you found this video helpful, be sure to pick up my latest riveting book, How to Read a Book.